Hi, it's Yuki. How you guys doing? Firstly, I have a question. When you say that you wear some clothes in Japanese, what do you usually say? I think in English, you can use wear in many situations. However, in Japanese, there are a lot of ways to explain wearing. I mean, you have to use wear appropriately depending on what you wear. Actually, I've organized how many ways to express wearing in Japanese. Here is the list of them. Kiru, haoru, haku, kakeru, tsukeru, suru, kabulu. So today, I'm going to explain about how to use them appropriately. それじゃ、どうぞ。First, kiru. This one is used when you wear some clothes on your upper body. For example, 明日はこの T シャツを着ていこう。I will wear this T-shirt tomorrow. コートを着ると少し暑い。When I wear a coat, it's a little bit hot. あのパーカーの男性を知ってる？ Do you know the guy who is wearing a parka? Also, you can use kiru for clothing genres such as suits, dresses, kimono, etc. For example, 面接ではスーツを着る必要がある。When you take a job interview, you have to wear a suit. 明日のパーティーにはドレスを着てきてね。Please wear a dress and come to the party tomorrow. 着物を着たことがありますか？ Have you ever wore kimono? Second, 羽織る。I said that you can use kiru when you wear a coat, but you can also use 羽織る。However, you can't use kiru when you wear a t-shirt. The difference between kiru and haoru is that how you wear the clothes. There are two situations that you can use haoru. The first situation, when you wear some clothes without fastening buttons, like this. In this case, you can use both of them, haoru and kiru. For example, 明日はコートを羽織っていこう。明日はコートを着ていこう。I will wear a coat tomorrow. ジャケットを羽織ると真面目に見える。ジャケットを着ると真面目に見える。When you wear a jacket, you look earnest. The second situation,When you wear some clothes without putting your arms into your sleeves, you can use haoru, like this. However, in this case, you can use only haoru. You can't use kiru. For example, マントを羽織ると空が飛べる。If I wear a mant, I can fly in the sky. You can't sayマントを着ると空が飛べる。This sentence is wrong. By the way, here are some questions. I'm going to show you some conversations that are used kiru and haoru. There are two conversations. In the first one, I'm speaking slowly. In the second one, I'm speaking at normal speed. Please hear what I'm saying and put it in the comment section in this video. Are you ready? どうぞ。明日、面接があって、スーツを着ていかないといけないんだけど、実はスーツ一着も持ってないんだ。私服でも大丈夫だと思う？あんまり大丈夫じゃない気がするんだけど、 とりあえずジャケット羽織っていけばどうにかなるんじゃない？そうしよう。今度の夏祭り、彼女と一緒に行くんだけど、何を着て行ったらいいと思う？そんなの絶対浴衣でしょ。やっぱそうだよね。How was that? It was difficult or easy? Okay, let's get back the main lesson. Third, 履く。This one is used when you wear something on your lower half on your body. For example, ヒールを履くと足が痛い。When I wear a high heel, it hurts me. これは昨日履いたズボン。This one was pants I wore yesterday. あのスカートの女の子は誰？ Who is the girl who is wearing skirt? Fourth, かける。This one is simple. かける is used when you wear glasses or sunglasses. For example, メガネをかけないと何も見えない。If I don't wear any glasses, I can't see anything. サングラスをかけて出かけよう。Let's wear sunglasses and go out. By the way, there are other ways to express wearing glasses and sunglasses, such as つける、する。I'm going to explain about them later. Fifth, つける。This one looks like Kiru. However, the pronunciation is different. This one is Kiru. This one is つける。つける is used when you wear accessories, watches, glasses, etc. For example, 彼氏からもらったネックレスをつける。I wear a necklace that I got from my boyfriend. 腕時計をつけるのを忘れた。I forgot to wear a watch. メガネをつけないと何も見えない。If I don't wear any glasses, I can't see anything. Actually, there is some similar word that is this one. This one has almost same meaning and same pronunciation. The difference between them is that where you put something on. If you want to put something on your body, you should use this one. Sixth, する This one is used like つける So you can use する instead of つける For example, 彼氏からもらったネックレスをする I wear a necklace that I got from my boyfriend 腕時計をするのを忘れた I forgot to wear a watch メガネをすると何でも見える When I wear glasses, I can see anything. 7. かぶる かぶる is used when you wear something on your head, such as hats, helmets, hoods, etc. For example, 今日は帽子をかぶって出かけた方がいい Today, you should wear a hat to go out. 安全のためにヘルメットをかぶってください Please wear a helmet for your safety. あの子はいつもフードをかぶっている The guy is always wearing a hood. Okay, we have studied 7 ways to express wearing in Japanese. How was that? Finally, I'm going to give you a question. When you wear a mask, what do you think you should say? Actually, I've created an exam on this website, so you could take the exam for reviewing today's topic. You could go there from here. You can also check the answer to the last question, so please try it. Thank you for coming today. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to practice making an example sentence, please feel free to do so in the comment section in this video. Of course, if you like this lesson, please don't forget to give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks very much for watching this lesson and I will see you soon. それじゃ、いってらっしゃい。